Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Liz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Now today we have a review makeup video for you all. It's going to be a review on the REFY beauty products. I have the brow products, I have the face products, I have it all for you guys in this video today. But before we begin, I just want to say now, I completely forgot to do an intro for this video, so it's the day before uploading this video, and yeah, whilst editing I forgot to do an intro. So it's a different day, but yeah. Before we begin, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a big thumbs up if you love the makeup review videos, and if you want to see more from me then definitely leave me some ideas down below that you want me to review and I'll definitely get on that for you guys. If you want to see the review on the REFY beauty products, then keep on watching. Hello my darlings, we have a really exciting video today. I have received in the post, let me just hide my... We are going to be reviewing the REFY Beauty by Jess Hunt. It's her brand, and let's have a look in here. Packaging is stunning, of course. What I love about this brand is so neutral toned. I love all the neutral tones. There's a little card in here. I'm also doing a video for my reel on Instagram. I'm actually going to film it on my other camera, my technically vlogging camera, and I'm going to see how it looks doing that. But yeah, if you've come over from Instagram, I was looking at the wrong camera. If you come over from Instagram, then hi, make sure to subscribe. So let's get into it. So I've bought literally all of the products they have on the website. So I've got the brow kit, and I've also got the summer collection face stuff. So excited. So I've got the brow sculpt. I've also in the shade medium. Obviously the brow sculpt is clear. Of course, if you watch my videos or you see my Instagram, you won't know that I love the laminated brow look. I love the big fluffy brows. As you can tell, I will zoom in a second, but I have quite thick eyebrows anyway. So I actually bought these for Black Friday. If you don't know already, they did have, I think it was 20% off, and I literally ran there because I've been wanting to try these products for so long. So it retails for £40 for all three. So it says brow sculpt allows you to shape and set hairs in place. The unique formula and versatile applicators will create the perfect brow. So that's what I'm really excited about as well, the applicator. A uniquely developed concept and formula, the perfect balance between a wax and a gel, water resistant and flake free. The sculpt will keep your brows set until washed out. So like I said, it is clear. Okay, that looks so nice. Go in with the pomade. The brow pomade, again I got the shade medium. I love that it's a slightly different shade to the brow sculpt. Add depth and shade to your brows with our cream based eyebrow pomade. Fill in any sparse areas with the specifically designed angular brush. Our pomade is a cream based formula for smooth application with a matte finish. This is the perfect product to give depth and to shade the eyebrow. Long lasting and smudge proof, the pomade will stay in place until washed out. It does look like a very small area to get into, but hopefully the brush, yeah, the brush fits, obviously, Liz. That's what it's designed for. And then last but not least, we've got the eyebrow pencil, which I've heard so many people rave about, that it's the thinnest eyebrow pencil they've ever used. Wow, it is super thin. That is a really, really thin tip, which I'm excited. It says, complete your brow by defining hair strokes with the REFY Ultra Fine Eyebrow Pencil. The REFY pencil is high pigmented with an ultra fine tip, allowing you to create defined hair stroke brows. They are all shades darker than the pomade for 3D definition. Okay, so that's what it says about it. So I'm going to zoom you in. So we're going to start off with the brow sculpt, of course. And let's see. I hope you can see this. We're going to start off with this brow. I'm so scared. So she did say that it is clear, but it goes on white, but it dries down clear. Okay, so I think I've coated them all. And then you take put it back in, take the top off, and then I'm going to go in with this side first. And then I'm going to take the other side and sort of merge them. Oh, I think I prefer this side. I think I'm doing it right. I hope I am anyway. Definitely giving them like definition. Feels sticky on my hands because I did like press it down with my finger slightly. But no, that's worked quite nicely. What do you think? Now, something I don't normally do, but I'm going to go in with the pomade, of course, and I'm going to use the brush. A little bit hard to see what I'm doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on the back of my hand to thin the brush out, and I'm just going to go in. The brush is really soft. Just dipping in a second time to do the other side, but that's what it looks like. Really nice pigment, not too much, which I love. So now we're going to take the pencil, obviously the super thin pencil. I'm just going to go in. It says to use a spoolie to merge them all together, so that's what I'm going to do. It's gone quite flaky. I don't know if you can see. I think that's the brow sculpt. It's actually quite nice. It's a little flaky from where the brow sculpt has dried, but overall I think it looks really, really good. Obviously once I've put on the base makeup and carved out my brows, I think it'll look really, really good. So I think so far it's really, really lovely. I'm definitely going to carve out my brows though, because they do look a little bit messy and all over the place. So far so good. That's what they look like. Obviously they're going to look wild because I haven't got any makeup on at the moment, but yeah, definitely enjoyed that. It's definitely got that more natural feel to it, because when I use my Pears soap it just makes the eyebrows flat. But I'm quite liking the more fluffy, not so stuck on my face sort of look. So yeah, that's those so far. So what I'm going to do now is go off camera. I'm going to do my eyes and my foundation, concealer, powder. Well, no, I'm not going to do powder. And then I'm going to use the face products. So I'll be right back. I'm so excited. Let me zoom out. So we've got cream bronzer, cream blush, cream highlighter. So I've obviously done my base. I used the NARS Sheer Glow foundation in Barcelona for the first time today, and it's actually really, really nice. It's like a semi-matte but dewy foundation. I don't know how to explain it, and people are right. The name, it shouldn't be called Sheer Glow because it's definitely got that full coverage. So I've got the cream bronzer in the shade Sand because I wasn't too sure what shade to go for, so I went for the lightest one because I thought that the shades are going to go a bit darker than normal, because obviously it's only got 3 shades. Allows you to create definition or bronze and blend all over base. It has a natural velvety finish and is buildable, allowing you to create an understated glow or add more warmth to your natural tone. Our ultra versatile cream based formula has been tested on all skin types and tones. The warm tones will give you a natural sun-kissed look. Our cream bronzer moisturizes the skin and ensures any excess oils are removed. And it looks really, really velvety. I'm glad I got this shade because it is on the more darker side. But I'm going to blend it out with the brush that I normally put cream bronzer on with. I don't know whether I've said, but I'll list all the brushes that I use in the description box. But let's go in. Maybe I could have gone a bit darker. I do like a dark bronzer. I suppose layering it up, it's gonna look nice as well. Just gonna do one side first. I actually quite like this because I can blend it and build it instead of it being straight off the bat. But like it says, you can... I was watching a video that Jess did showing these products, and she actually explained that you can put them on bare skin, which I probably would do definitely on a day-to-day basis. So yeah, that's the difference. It has added a bit of glow, like shine to my skin. I need to change my battery, so I'll be back. Okay, I just done the other side. I think I definitely could have gotten the slightly darker shade, the one up, but maybe I'll consider it. I'll use this a bit more. So what do you think? Definitely glowy, which I love. So then next I'm gonna go on to the blush, and I got the shade Malaya. I think that's how you say it. Normally I do go for like that peachy pinky tone blushes, and there wasn't any to choose from, so I went for Malaya because that was the most popular one that I seen. It looks so satisfying. It looks like a lip balm, and I believe you can pop it on your lips as well. So there's only 3 shades. So it says it enhances the natural colour in your cheeks. It is blendable, allowing you to add warmth or create a deeper glow. Our unique cream-based formula has been tested on all skin tones and types. Our cream blush is highly pigmented, so only a small amount of product is needed to achieve the ultimate glow. So I think these products are definitely designed to give you that glow. But let's go in and try it. It's definitely got that sort of lip balm. You know those lip balms you see in this sort of packaging? I don't know. Okay. We're going for that blushed look today, by the looks of it. That is pigmented. You don't need as much as I popped on, but it does give a really nice colour to the skin. Love that. So I really like that. A little goes a long way, just an FYI. So bear that in mind. Really, really creamy. Again, gives that really nice glow to the skin. Now, onto the gloss highlighter. It says it can be used on cheekbones, eyelids, underbrow, cupid's bow, lips and collarbones. The non-stick universal formula can be used on top of makeup or as a primer base. Love that. Giving you the perfect glass-like glow. Our ingredients include natural oils and minerals which add moisture and blend seamlessly, leaving your skin feeling smooth and silky. Now, I've seen a lot of people rave about this, so I think there's only one shade. Whatever kit you buy, it's going to be the same shade. Love the packaging. It's so silky and matte. It's got that like soft matte feel to it. I love this packaging. It comes with a top on there. I'm going to give it a bit of a shake. Don't know why, but I am going to pop it on the back of my hand to begin with. Okay, it doesn't feel as full as it probably looks. It's got a nice bronzy tone to it. And I'm just going to use my finger for this. It feels tacky. Just pop that on my cheekbones. I like to spread it out as well, just so it doesn't look like just a line. Oh yeah, I love that. That just looks like... I'm really not a fan of glitter highlights. I just love like a glow from within sort of wet look, and this is definitely giving me that vibe of wet sort of look. Just going to pop it on my forehead. I like the colour as well, it's not too like bright in your face. It's got a nice colour to it. I'm literally glowing to the gods. Hopefully it's not taken off any of my makeup. It literally looks wet. I love that. I wish I got this in the summer now, because that is definitely a summer product. Oh, I can imagine that on the décolletage, on the collarbones. Oh my god, I love it. It looks so good on camera as well, which is amazing for when I take photos. So that is all the products, but what I'm going to do is go off camera, do the rest of my face, and then I come back with my final thoughts. I don't think I'm going to do any like powder on top. I'm just going to keep it as it is, but just pop a little bit of powder underneath my eyes maybe. But yeah, I'll be right back. Hello guys, so I am back. It's been so many hours. I didn't even intend to be gone for so many hours, but I filmed a Primark haul. I put a little hair mask in my hair, so that's why it's a little bit messed. And yeah, I wanted to get that video done and I completely forgot about this video, to be honest, doing the end bit. In my head I already done the ending, but I didn't. So luckily I remembered. So yeah, here we are. So the products, oh my god, am I obsessed or am I obsessed? Because I am obsessed, especially the highlighter. Oh my god, look at it. That is insane. If there's a highlighter that I'm gonna love, it's gonna be this one, because I do not like glittery highlighters. I just love it when they look wet and glowy from within. Like, so nice. The blush is really nice as well. I think I can go a little bit darker in the bronzer as well, so I might get the slightly darker one. But overall, they are super creamy, super blendable. I definitely recommend to anyone. The eyebrows, they've stayed put really, really nicely. I think I need to play around with them a little bit more, get to grips on it. Definitely use the brow sculpt a little bit more so they stay down a little bit, because they aren't as fluffy as I normally do them, or not fluffy, but not as combed up as I normally do, but I kind of like it. I think I'm going more towards that sort of look now, of more of that fluffy bushy look, not the really, I don't know how to explain it. If you know, if you get it, you get it. I'm gonna have to try it with powders on top as well, and I'll let you know in a future video. If I do get along with these products, then obviously you'll see them in my monthly favourites or in other makeup tutorials, so stick around, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that. Turn my notification bell on so you get notified and you don't miss a video. And yeah, that's everything. I really enjoyed these products, and I'm still obsessed with that highlighter. I think because the cream, blush and highlighter are all like creamy and glowy, the highlighter doesn't just sit in a line. I don't know how to explain it. It's so nice. I love it. I love it. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash a huge thumbs up to let me know that you did enjoy it. I hope you have a lovely day or evening wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.